Hey traders, welcome to my YouTube. It's midweek, it's Wednesday, and I'm sure you guys have had a lot of trading opportunities, and I hope you are still positive for the week. And today I'll just run through some trades which I have closed for the week and some setups which I'm still watching and current trades I'm in. So let's get right into it. First up, we have the Euro US dollar. This is a trade I'm currently in. We got long at around 1.0812, and we got a nice candle here, nice risk reward 1 to 6.2 with a 10 pip stop loss just below the 0.786 level, and you can see price is just going completely long. We've got our take profits here set, take profit 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're not going long right to the top of the ascending channel because overall I'm still bearish on Euro US dollar for the long term, so I'm looking to hold longs to much higher levels, which we cannot guarantee will be fulfilled. The reasoning behind this trade was that we were coming to, if I just get the fibs, so the 1 and the 0, that you can see exactly how I've drawn my fibs. If this opens. Yeah, so from this last move, if I'll extend it, this was the bottom and this was the top of the last move, up from the bottom of the ascending channel to the top of the ascending channel. We know when we trade these patterns that a retrace to the 0.786% level happens quite often, and this would be definitely a good place that we could have went long, but we of course in our trading we never bank that it will actually reach this level, because sometimes it doesn't reach it. Like here, it didn't even reach our entry, which is how many pips from this fib? Yeah, it didn't even reach our entry, which is 4 pips from the fib level. So as you can see, we always got to put our entries just higher than the fibs, 5 to 10 pips higher, in case we do not get that. And you do not want to be sitting there with hindsight looking back saying, I should have entered earlier because you missed your entry by 7 pips, which I know traders do quite a lot, and I've experienced it myself. So that is why I place my entries like this. Another trade which we are looking at is USDCHF on the 1 hour time frame, like all the trades currently. So US dollar versus the Swiss franc here. We got short, we caught the wick at 0.9726. We caught the very top of this dragonfly candle wick. And now price is falling quite well in our favor, perhaps you could say. Take profit 1 is definitely in play as long as price keeps respecting this descending channel top. The reasoning behind this trade is that we took a trend line from the top and price, these ads stop popping up, price touched the top of it here and waited for another candle to double top here. We know that we usually do not get another high after we touch the ascending, the short-term ascending channel, when that coincides with the longer term descending channel, which we have here in a dotted trend line. You can see here, bang on in the middle here. So this is a trade we'll be maintaining over the Asian session. A trade that we've just exited is USDCAD or US dollar Canadian. And we posted this analysis on our Instagram on Sunday, and now it's Wednesday, so this took 3 days for us. but depending on where you wanted to, whether you entered or not. And if you're following our Instagram, you can see that we post a lot of analysis, and we do have before and after on our story highlights, so be sure to check them out. And by the way, my Instagram will be in the link. There will be a link to my Instagram in the description. Forex Trader LS, if you search it up. The Bear of Wall Street is the name. So I'll move down to a lower time frame so I can show you what we saw here. We saw a nice leading diagonal. You know that we saw a drop from the top of the channel right down to the bottom. And you might notice I'm using channels quite a lot here because for me, channels are the best way to trade because you see them quite a lot. You see them most of the time. Pull up any chart, you can see a channel probably. Not in every chart, but this is the ending diagonal I saw. So we had wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. A nice break of the diagonal here. Retest. Price shot off. We did actually post this diagonal. Price was still at this level. No, price was at this level here. We plotted 5. We did have a bit of consolidation on this lower time frame. This was just most likely preparing for the bigger move, which ended up happening. So nicely retest. Also the bottom of this very, very short term channel, which you can see if we zoom in even closer to the 5-minute time frame. This channel here, retest of the diagonal, also the bottom of this channel, and then the rest is history, as you can see. So this trade we currently just closed with, I think it is, let me just check how much we closed this trade in. %12 gains from this one trade. The risk to reward was 1 to 8. Analysis was posted on Sunday. So if you're not following the Instagram, I suggest you follow it because we do have some pretty happy people over there who took advantage and took this trade. We only risked 1.5%, and the risk to reward was well in our favor, so we did take it. Another trade we have just closed is XAUUSD or gold versus the US dollar. This is the same thing which I'm starting to preach regularly now. In an ascending channel, we usually get a retrace from the top to the 0.786 level, as you can see here, just like on the other chart I had up previously. Price just, you could say it touched it. You could say. And we had our entries just above here. Analysis posted on Sunday on the Instagram as well. Longs were taken, 282 pips. Risk to reward was 1 to 4.5. Very in our favor. So this trade was ticking all the boxes in our trading plan. We planned this trade when we were here. We planned this trade on the 8th of May. We said we would get a correction here. We got the correction. We got a break. Retest of this correction supportive trend line right down to the bottom as predicted, and price shot off. We added more positions when price came close to the bottom of the descending channel once again, and we added a position when we broke this corrective trend line here that I've got. We added just at the close above at 1,705, and we have just closed a couple of minutes ago, maybe an hour ago. Another trade which we had running in the premium group was CADCHF. We went short here, analysis was sent, same day signal was sent. Took 10 hours for this trade to come into fruition. We had the break of the ascending channel here, consolidation range here, break of a consolidation range, retest of the trend line here. We were not awake when this occurred, so we waited for a second retest. Here, close retest, retested definitely the highs here, the previous high. And we got short and rode it all the way down, risking 1% and bagging 3%. With hindsight, I should have risked 1.5%, as this risk reward wasn't as high as other trades which I've also risked 1.5. So risking 1 wasn't the best that I could have done, but it's still 3% that's in the bag. We're up almost 20%, if I'm correct. For the week so far, it's only Wednesday, so we hope to keep this good work up, slow down the signals that are being sent out and analysis, and just, chill. So these are all the trades which I'm currently in, or I've exited, or I'm maintaining. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to follow the Instagram to make sure you don't miss any trade opportunities. Link will be in the description. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel where I'll be reviewing trades, posting weekly analysis on Forex, commodities, cryptos, and indices. Please like and subscribe to show me support, as this is a new channel. And I hope to see you back for another video. Thanks for watching.